Hello everyone, thanks for checking out my channel Affordable Living with Ray. Today I will be reviewing the Enchen electric hair clipper from XiaoMi, which is a well-known and reliable leading consumer electronics maker who I trust. Note however that there is no mention of the brand name XiaoMi on the product, as this brand is made by their partner Enchen. Why this product? Well, I want to have affordable haircuts for the long term instead of going to expensive hair salons. There are 6 items in the box: the clipper, lubricant, USB Type-C cable, cleaning brush, instruction manual, and brochure. Note that the manual comes in Mandarin Chinese, however the clipper is pretty simple to figure out, so no problem at all. Why I felt this product affordable? Well, there are actually 8 points. Number 1 is the price, of course. I bought it for about $13 US. Of course, this depends on where and when you buy it. Number 2, it's rechargeable. It comes with an internal lithium-ion battery inserted right here. You can't actually visually see it, but it's actually inside. You can charge it using the USB Type-C cable, simply connecting it to a USB power adapter like this, which is of course available separately. Your computer or even power bank. No need batteries. Number 3, it's cordless. As you can see, it's totally cordless. No messy power cables. Number 4, it's easy to use. Comes with 2 speeds. Let me show you. Simply press the power button. This is normal. And then long press it to change it to turbo. You'll notice the sound difference. So this is turbo. So normal speed is for normal hair and turbo for thicker hair. And it's also adjustable for different cutting lengths. Just use one button to slide the positioning comb between 3 to 21 millimeters. This is how you do it. Number 5, it's easy to clean. So how do you clean it? First, remove the positioning comb by gently sliding it out, like this. Next, gently snap out the cutter head, like this. Gently. Then, clean it with the brush supplied and lubricate the moving parts when necessary. The brush. So you brush the insides, as well as the cutting head. And then when necessary, use the lubricant to lubricate the moving parts right here, as well as here. Number 6, it's durable. Why? Well, it comes with a nano ceramic cutter head right here. So you can see this white nano ceramic cutter head. This is actually 1.6 times harder than ordinary stainless steel. And it's smoother, therefore relatively generates less noise. Number 7, safety. The cutter head is designed with rounded corners, as you can see, right here and here. So how do you put it back? Simply snap in the cutter head like this, and then the sliding comb, like this. Last but not least, I love the design. It's simple, it's clean, with a choice of either black or white. Also, it fits very well in my hand. If you are looking for an affordable, good quality and reliable electric hair clipper for home use, I'd highly recommend one. I felt it has a good balance between price and functionality. So where can you get it? Check out my links below on where you can buy them at affordable prices. And if you like my channel, hit the subscribe button below. See you next time!